It had been an amazing trip, including stops in Wales, Scotland, and Ireland, but I was ready to get home. I was offered a glass of sparkling wine almost before I got seated, and I thought how nice it is, after all of the hectic travel, to finish the trip in a nice, comfortable, and calming space. This Boeing 767-300 has a generous 1-2-1 seat layout in the Delta One class, in what I can only describe as older seats. These aren't the suites with the privacy door, but the area did seem spacious, even though some surfaces were worn and a bit chipped from use. Everything was in good working order. The legroom in these lay-flat seats is nothing short of amazing. The Someone Somewhere amenity kit was also a welcome sight, especially since the flight from Gatwick to JFK was scheduled to take over 7 hours. The Someone Somewhere who crafted my kit was Gilberto in Michoacan. The kit contained Grown Alchemist hand cream and lip balm, a humble brush, bamboo toothbrush and toothpaste, a pen, earplugs, and a sleep mask. Slippers, bottled water, and a comforter and a pillow were also at my seat when I arrived. My second sparkling wine arrived while the other passengers were still loading in.
And we can feel a little bit stuffed.
Soon it was time to open tables for dinner service. Linens were placed, and we started with the beverage service and warmed assorted nuts. I chose a rosé from the cart. Next, a tray with choice of roll, and a salad and a soup, salt and pepper, and of course, a linen napkin with chilled silverware. Shortly, my main entree, braised beef, was brought out. I had received an email a few days ahead of the flight asking me to choose between this, a chicken thigh dinner, or a vegan option. I love the pre-order since it makes it more likely that you get what you like. A bit after dinner was cleared, the dessert cart was brought around. Options included vanilla ice cream with a choice of toppings, a brownie cake, or a cheese and fruit plate. Then, with the great meal and a few glasses of wine done, I promptly put my chair back flat and slept for about 5 hours straight, waking just in time to prepare for our landing at JFK. I was given caring and attentive service by the stewards, and even though this seemed to be older equipment, I was very comfortable and was able to stretch out while I slept as we crossed the Atlantic. I will fly Delta One again.